then this video I'm going to put all the clips together of all the machines you can get, where you can get the eggs and the donkey with the pooping coin. The pooping coin is, I think it's 50 cents and it's contactless. The rest seem to be €2, and some are contactless and some are coins. So I'll put all them clips in now.
Get ready, Jake.
Another cool little souvenir. See what I've got. I can open it. Oh, you get a pin. That's cool. I like that. Yay! Let's see. How much is it? €2. Let's get me phone out. Is it contactless? Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna come out. See what's inside. Is it?
I don't know.
Ah, let's go with it. Is it a little toadstool, little Red Riding Hood, is it? Contactless. See what we got. Ooh, got donkey.
Pooping coin.
Right, so I've already got 2. Let's see what comes next. 3. See what we've got this time.
Please get long neck because I don't want you.
Oh, different one.
Oh, it's one of them.
The gnome. Cool. Right, I think that's it now. €2 each. I've got 3. Yes!
Oh, you got a long neck.
I've got a long neck.
Well, you can have it as long as you can.
Yeah, and put his neck in there. Long neck.
Looks different.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah. See if it works. Oh, it works. Open it up, see what we've got.
unknown man.
Oh no. I think we got him the other day, didn't we?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.